Functions. Now we are back to function. We have done with loop and conditional statements. Now I want to give you a brief intro to how to create and write functions. Now what a function? The real power of PHP comes from its functions. PHP has a lot of functions that are already built and predefined into the system to allow us to be able to code better. The PHP has over 1000 built-in functions that can be called directly from within a script to perform a specific task. Beside the built-in PHP function, it is possible to create your own function. And what is a function? A function is a block of statements that can be used repeatedly in a program. A function will not execute automatically when a page loads, and a function will only be executed when it is called to or by the function. Okay, so what are the user-defined function? A user-defined function declaration starts with the word function. For you to declare any function, you must write the word function to specify that you're starting with a function, and then you have the function name followed by a parenthesis, and in a curly brace you have the code to be executed. So note that a function name must start with a letter or an underscore. Function names are not case sensitive. Okay, so we have an example of a function like this. We have a function to write a message, and we have the word hello world. So whenever you declare this function or call this function, the value we have here is going to be written out. So let's go ahead to our text editor and see what that looks like. All right, so this is what it looks like in our text editor, and we can go to our browser and reload. Then we can see this is a backend development tutorial because we have written a function, and we have this is the function we've written, and anywhere this function is on the page, it will always load whenever we call out this. Whenever we use the word get message, it will always call it out. So what are the function arguments? Information can be passed into function through arguments. An argument is like a variable. Now we have a function here with the family name, and f name is an argument we want to pass through it. Now, and we have the default value is to echo the first name with udevelop. So if we have a list of name for f name and we put in a favorite or a list of articles or names into it, and we echo it out, we are going to see what it's going to look like. So let's go back. I'm going to comment this one out. Okay, so now we have it here, the function name family name with taking an argument of f name, and we have the f name udevelop. So we go back to this place and we CRUD it. Oh, alright, sorry, we didn't add a break tag. Didn't add a break. I should add a break here. So we'll go back ahead and run it. I will see we have Power, Favor, Bukola, and Rashid of udevelop, and that is how that works. We can also have to take two values or two arguments also, just like we've done it in this here. We can also do that. So we are passing two arguments or more. We can say you should have another one is age, and we can go ahead and say this is born in age. Then we can go ahead and add another age, say 3000, say 4000, just saying 5000, and say 6000. I'll save it and head straight to our browser and reload, and we'll see what it is. So functions can be used to pass so many arguments in. You can put a series of arguments. You can range from one argument till as much as plenty as you want to be. All you need to know is how to call it out on the right track. Okay, so that is all on that, and we are done with functions.